dryer on the cool setting always. Okay, and cut around the tights like this. Lift as you cut as well. This side, lift it up. Still got to be spray again. Spray this on like an empty surface, if that makes sense. Really recommend you guys to do this stage. It makes such a difference. If you have time though, because I know not all you guys have the time or the patience. Hair dryer on the cool setting. Now, I'm gonna pull the back of the stocking down a little bit. This top bit that clearly makes everyone laugh. I'm gonna wrap it around the back of that. And we're just gonna make a tiny little knot. I'll show you guys the back now. My K-rows are neat. The foundation. Start from the back so you don't put too much product on the front. Apply that foundation on. I'm kind of doing it in a nice dusty motion, and I'm also kind of bringing it forward. Bomb, bomb, bomb. We'll make a playlist for you guys. I'm gonna call it, what should we call it? Like, leave a comment what I should call the playlist. Let's make it very like, if you know, you know. Guys, I don't know how I do it. It works. Not every day the lid of like a bottle or something. I'm using this clear plastic tray. It's by Ebin. This is the active one. Start a bit on the front of my hairline, a bit on the line of that wig as well, and light layers, and you want to spread it, guys. Don't want bumps like that. It has to be smooth. Currently drinking a chai latte with honey. Tastes so good. I love chai. I just love spicy, cinnamon, all of that kind of thing, you know. Layer 2 is done. Whilst this gets tacky, you guys clocked in my background I had a wig that was just laying on the mannequin just like that. This is it. One of my hairdressers installed this for me the other day, so it's time for me to reinstall it. And I love a reinstall. Foundation again, you know the teas. Get that all smothered in that foundation. This is the part that I don't like, all the little hairs. But with one side, just hold it down a little bit like that. Did I take off? I just want it off a little bit. I just don't want too much of the Lagos hairline. I think I ruined it now. Did I ruin it? Sometimes just leave it. Sometimes just leave it. I'm gonna add the glue here now, and hopefully I can melt it better. Now this side, this bit off. Yeah, that's just a bit better for me. This is already a pre-plucked wig from Amina's hair. You're beautiful, and that's for sure. I'm gonna just press this down as much as I possibly can. I'm gonna basically pluck this bit off, just a bit more. There. Just wanna make sure I've got this hard on it. Yeah. Yeah, oh, I'm happy with how I'm doing my parting. All right, let's cement this down now. Elastic band. Doing this with rings on is honestly hard. I don't know why I forced my rings. It needs to be free. Boom. 5-10 minutes. Just see how that is looking right now. Okay. This is how it's looking, guys. Now I'm gonna use my Ebin spray. This is the sports edition. Don't know what's going on there. I really don't. Okay, first, let's just get all of this out of the way. Away. And again, just ensuring that it is all melted in. So, cool setting again. I'm gonna use my Got To Be spray on that toothbrush comb. And someone said that, see, her toothbrush is seasoned. It has to be seasoned because it just is better. Spritz again. Elastic band one last time. Okay, so I'll come back when my hair is curled. Yeah. So I'm ready to just take this off now. Yeah. ready. This colour, oh my gosh, 10 10 10 10. I'm shooting today with channel 4.0, so you guys will see me on that side of life. So yeah, I'm gonna go now, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this install.